Afternoon, YouTube. I am going to do a tool bag video. I've got a big job starting on Monday, so thought I'd do a little video on the tools that I use in my service bag, and as I put everything back in and get it ready to go as I get the truck ready for work on Monday. So let's get started. First on the list, I got the Z manifold. High and low pressure. I love these gauges. I've had the 6-inch hoses, but the Z manifold itself, for under $100, you can't beat it. I mean, this right here has been a lifesaver. I mean, instead of having to get the gauge, the big set of gauges out, I love those things. Got the clip light. I like this tool. It's been a lot of people on YouTube got it. You know, it turns on there, It's got the hook. Magnet at the bottom. I mean, I like this tool for $20. I mean, it's a really good deal. This right here, Coast brand headlamp. I like this thing. Got the nice light on it, if you can see there. It's got the zoom function on it. Zooms in and out. If you need to get close down on looking on an object, it's got that little feature right there for looking up, and it's got a dimmer on it. Goes from low to high. That's what I like about that a lot. It's got the nice comfortable rubber thing on the back too, for you back of your head, and also for the front. I don't know if most of them have them or not, but this is my first headlamp, but I like it. Gotta have a stud finder. If you're looking for studs for, you know, existing home, running wires through, or thermostat wire, Zircon. That's a good brand. I've had it for a few years. I like that. Also, gotta have a torpedo level. Craftsman brand. This thing's been through a war. It's got a burn here. I've had it for a long time. I'm the kind of person, if I buy a tool, I'll keep it for a long time and I'll wear it out. I mean, that's just me. Let's see here. Let's go through some electrical stuff next. I got a few Channellock brand tools. I got the big wire cutters for doing cutting big wire for big units. Number 6, 4, things like that. Got the little ones for cutting little wires, you know, 110, 10-2, 12-2, stuff like that. Lineman pliers, you know, just basic stuff. The thing I like is, I don't know if y'all got too many of them, but I do a T-stripper brand of wire strippers. I like these a lot. I've had them for years. I had a pair like these. I had for a long time, and I lost them. But I was able to recover me a set at a pawn shop, and I was able to find these at a flea market. So I use these for my thermostat wire, and I use these to strip like line voltage wire. A couple more electrical tools. Task Force needle nose, nothing special, but they're a good pair. This is a Woods pair of crimpers. They've turned out to be pretty good. I've used them a couple of times. You can get them at Lowe's. They're not bad. I like those. Stanley Fat Max utility knife. I like that. Gotta have a utility knife. Bondus hex headsets here. You know, I've used them a few times. I've had them for years. No problems with them. Made in the USA. I like them. They're good tools. Here's another Channellock brand pair of a little bigger crescent wrench than I got. And I buy a lot of my stuff at Ferguson, Lion Conklin, and my local supply house. And I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but I do a lot with Raptor brand tools. Raptor brand nut drivers. They got the magnet in them, except for the two big ones: the 5/16, your quarter, 3/8, 7/16 and half. I use these mainly for compressor changeouts and stuff to get the bolts out. Those are really good. I've had real good success with them. Raptor brand channel locks. As you can tell, they've been through the war. I mean, I've had them for a while. I like those. Even these right here. I got a set of the Bonco crescent wrenches. I keep them in the toolbox. They're the bigger set, like if I'm doing bigger gas jobs or whatever. But I like those. Those have been pretty good. Some little Raptor ones there. Set of Raptor screwdrivers for doing tightening stuff. You know, just regular screwdrivers, Phillips and straights for electrical work. You know, things of that nature. You got the little and the big ones. I mean, I like these. They've turned out real well for me. Malco brand tubing cutters. They cut from anywhere from 1/2 to 1 inch. I've had a lot of success with those. I like those a lot. I've used these all my life, so I mean, that's one brand I can say that I really do like when it comes to Malco anyway. Rigid copper cutters, big set and midgets. What I've used, I mean, they're really good copper cutters. You gotta have your Malco brand brush. Thank you, Steve Lab. I mean, you gotta have it for cleaning coils and cleaning areas and stuff. The fan puller, you know, I haven't used it yet this season, but I sure will. Changing fan blades and fan motors and stuff. Shaft puller. One other thing I wanted to talk with you guys about. I don't know if you got them yet or not, but they're real good. If you're having an issue with a stuck shaft that won't come off, get you a set of brass punches. These will keep you from messing up the shaft. If you can loosen it up with the puller and it still won't come loose, and you got to use a punch. These right here are really good for taking the fan blades off the motor shafts. I mean, keep it from bending the shaft or doing any damage to it. So as you can see, they've been used, so I use them a lot. This is my swage tool. This is what I got. I'm sorry, but I see everybody using the Hillmore, and I like the Hillmore. I just can't see spending $400 on it. I understand it'll save you some money in the long run on fittings, but you know, that right there does everything I need it to. So I think it was like 50 bucks in swage tools, so that works good for me. That's what I like. I gotta have your jumpers. I got a set of mags and a set of little alligator clip jumpers. These go in my little special service bag. I got a set of poppers, 5s and the 3 amps. Extra knife blades, inspection mirror, just simple stuff. Greenlee screwdrivers, service screwdrivers, thermostat screwdrivers, stuff like that. Little Phillips and straights. You know, you got to have your service wrench and attachments for it and everything. So, Yellow Jacket Schrader tool remover if you need that. These are 5/16 to 1/4 inch angle. I got these for doing work on some mini splits, so I like these a lot. I use one more backpack as my tool bag. I've had a couple others, and I really like this one. This one right here has been real good for me. So I like that. Thank you, Mike Piles, for that. Also, you got to have your meters and stuff. So I got the Fieldpiece SDMN5 manometer for static pressure and for gas pressures. Got your hoses. They actually sell these now, the static pressure probes. You can buy these for like I think they're like $20 for a set at the supply house. So I mean, they're at my local supply house carrying them. You got your attachments for gas. The PRH2 pocket thermometer from Fieldpiece. I use it. I haven't been using it as much, but AC season getting started and doing some work, I'll be definitely using it. I have got, we talked about this last night in the chat. Find out what kind of meter this is. This is the HS35, and I got this for one reason and one reason only, was because of the detachable heads. Comes with the AC clamp, leads, and everything like that right there. But I would rather upgrade to another one. This way I can keep this head on here and I can put my probes here. But until then, I'll stick with this. There's another mag jumper. Put that right there. I got the HS35. I got the ACH4 amp probe that came with it. An extra K clamp for doing temperatures. The AAV3 air velocity and temperature head for doing testing CFMs in homes. That really is a good tool there. And the newest tool that I ain't even had a chance to use yet, the Model A8AOX2 combustion check. I've taken it out of the box and looked at it, and it actually will do everything a combustion analyzer does, except, you know, a lot of stuff that the Testo 310 does. But for less than $200, if you're just doing quick little combustion tests, that right there does the trick. So, you know, that's what I use for my service tools. I promised you a service video. I'll be getting a video of the job on Monday and a couple other little neat tricks I want to show you up there. So, thank y'all, and hope you have a good afternoon. Stay safe, and like, comment, subscribe, please. Share with your friends, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys.